Hello, everybody. This is Make Learning Chinese Easy, and I will teach you how to learn Chinese very fast and in the easiest way. So, a lot of people may think it's very hard to learn Chinese because it's very hard in the listening, pronunciation, and speaking and writing, but you don't have to worry about it because follow me, you'll find it's really easy to learn Chinese. Today, I am going to teach you how to speak four seasons in Chinese. Now, let's start. Four seasons. 四季. 四 means four. 季 means seasons. So together, 四季. Read after me. 四季. 四季. Now, how to speak spring, summer, autumn, and winter. 春天, 夏天, 秋天, and 冬天. You may be think, wow, it's still very hard, but okay, now we can learn one by one. 春天 means spring. Read together. 春天, 春天. Okay, how do you say I love spring? You need to say 我喜欢春天. 我 means I. 喜欢 means love or like. 春天 means spring. So together, 我喜欢春天. 我喜欢春天. So tell me, do you like spring? Yes or no? Okay, now let's look at this. Summer. 夏天. 夏天. 我喜欢夏天. 我喜欢夏天. That means I love summer. 我喜欢夏天. Okay, speak faster. 我喜欢夏天. 我喜欢夏天. Perfect. Now, next one. Autumn. 秋天. 秋天. 我喜欢秋天. 我喜欢秋天. Yes, very good. I love autumn. Okay, the last one. 冬天 winter. 冬天冬天我喜欢冬天我喜欢冬天 That means I love winter. Okay, let's make a small summarize and practice. So when you meet a foreigner or a Chinese native speaker and you want to ask him what season do you like, you could ask him in Chinese like 你喜欢哪个季节 means what season do you like? 你喜欢哪个季节？你喜欢哪个季节？哪个 means which one? 你喜欢哪个季节？ So you're going to answer him like I love spring, and how to say in Chinese? 我喜欢春天 Yes, 我喜欢春天 and 我喜欢夏天我喜欢夏天 Here, 我喜欢秋天我喜欢秋天 Next one, 我喜欢冬天我喜欢冬天 Okay, very good. And now, tell me, what season do you like? You can make a comment or you can ask me the questions at below, and I will answer the question. Okay, this is today's lesson. I wish that everybody can learn it very fast, and you can learn how to ask the people what season do you like in Chinese. Okay, and this is today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.